Today we're cooking 36-day aged ribeye. What you think about that?
Sick.
Sick. Yeah. All right, so we got some meat I've been aging now for 36 days. You know why it's 36 days? Because of this guy here, John. Yeah, come on, John. Yeah. It would have been 30 days.
You're the tallest one.
But yeah, he couldn't come, so it's an odd day, 36 days. So we're gonna weigh this bitch out. Can I say bitch?
It's YouTube. You can say
can
whatever you want.
Yeah, let's bleep it. All right. Throw it on the scale. Let's see what we got. 10.138. And I will show you what I started with. Image. Okay. Let's put this back here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take this thing apart and see if we can't make some steaks out of it.
Yeah. Okay, so dry aging steaks. When you dry age a steak, you want to have a lot of airflow, and you need temperatures between like 33 and 41. The higher the temperature, the quicker the enzymes are going to break down the proteins in the meat, but it could go moldier quicker. So you want to be in that like 36 to 38, depending, whatever. But I guess either way, it's okay. So this is a ribeye roast. Numbnuts over here. Bought one that was detached already.
Detached, thank you.
So that means that as it dry age, if there's any moisture in there that doesn't get dried up by the fans, it goes moldy and bad. Yeah. So we'll see what's in there. Might even smell when we open it, so let's see what happens.
Ooh, this should be good. Look at
Not
that.
as bad as I thought it was going to be.
Okay.
So some of this stuff we'll just cut off. It's not a huge amount of waste. And that's it.
Not bad.
Okay, so let's clean it up and make some steaks. Sucker.
Think we could do something with that?
I don't think so. I think it's too
much.
yeah, it's gross. Yeah, you don't want to eat anything black. Okay, so let me start. There's a big fat piece that runs from here to here, kind of edging off, so we'll take that first off.
So how much of this are you actually going to cut out?
I want anything that's discolored like that.
Mm-hmm.
Can taste funky. It can make you sick too if you leave it on. So I want to make sure I get all shoulder end of the cow, and this is towards the strip loin, because the ribeye and the strip loin are attached, and this is the New York strip. This is the ribeye portion going towards the head. So I like that part better. We'll start steaks with this and get bigger ones this way, because you have that muscle there. I think you want your steaks, man. You talking like that?
Yeah, that's
like a nice, was that like a 2-incher or something almost?
That's a good steak.
That's a nice steak, right? It's gonna be sick. Sucker, man.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's nice. I mean, look at that marbling is really nice. You know,
Mm-hmm.
it's a nice high-end choice right here. So we'll take this off. We'll take some of it. We're gonna have to come in here and get some of that meat off. Maybe in here, but the rest looks okay. You know. So let's cut them all in the steaks, and we'll clean them.
Yeah. Few minutes. Flip. Oh. God damn, look at that.
Oh, man.
Look at that cross hatching.
Dude, I just want to rip a piece of that off right the F now.
Let's check these things
Oh,
out.
those things are
Yeah.
hitting nice.
Oh yeah. All I see is steam.
Yep.
Can you see that now?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, that's good looking. Okay, beautiful.
You want me to cut threes out of here?
Yeah. Right.
That's yeah. It's a little too.
Look at this. Just giving it.
Are we just making onion rings?
Yeah, right?
At this point.
I think we should just leave that like that.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. Is he gonna cut them in half?
Yeah, just half them.
Yeah, yeah.
Nice. Nice. Some special salt.
Yeah, get some salt on these guys. This is our treat. The cook's treats. Yes, suckle man.
Fine.
That's super salty. Putting on the onions.
You see it?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. See that junk? Did you see that junk?
That is sexy.
That is sexy. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
There it is.
Yeah.
That, my friend, is the stuff that dreams are made of.
This is a freaking sandwich right here. This is a roasted onion and dry aged beef sandwich.
Oh, this is the way to go. Oh yeah, that's yeah.
Stuff that dreams are made of.
We can kill it. One more piece.
Try to bake.
An onion beef cone.
Yeah, I was trying to make another one.
Onion beef cone. All right, since you gave it to me, it's mine.
There, hold on. Let me make another one here now.
Sure, I got this.
Oh yeah, that's salt. Yeah.
Onion is super sweet. Beef is so beefy,
So beefy.
fatty and delicious.
Super tender. Oh. Anything to close this?
Dry age your own beef safely. It's awesome.
It only took 36 days.